Today we're discussing a general natural gas water heater and how to adjust the temperature for the water heater. Once in the on position, you can adjust your water heater setting. Currently this one is set just prior to the hot position. There are three definitive positions for this unit. There's a vacation mode, which when you go away on vacation, say for a week or 2 weeks, vacation mode allows the water heater to maintain a lower temperature for peak efficiency while you're away not using any water. When you come home, you can adjust your water heater simply by turning your dial, and on this one here, just prior to this hot mark, is about 120 degrees on this particular model. You may want to adjust it if you want to fine tune it. You can use a thermometer and check the temperature at the tap with a thermometer, and that'll tell you if you need to adjust it hotter or cooler to reach that 120 degree temperature.